Mother, can you get me some more Lysol wipes? Hold the bottle sideways to avoid any unneeded germ contact. And for God's sake, don't touch anything.
Carlos, you have been deep cleaning for 4 hours straight. Don't you think you should give it a rest?
Point being,
My point is that you should be triple sterilizing every single piece of furniture in this house.
what did I say? Hold the bottle sideways for any unneeded germ contact. Give me some gloves and a mask. Throw away that revolting turtle. It's collecting germs like a magnet. Obviously, I am the only one in this family who gives a darn about the coronavirus.
Fine. Carlos, you may continue cleaning, but just be aware that when Jaden comes over,
What? Jaden can't come over. He's been everywhere. He doesn't care about the coronavirus, and he just... Remember last time he was here, he put a snake around his neck and pretended that it was his friend. He cannot come over here. He'll screw up all of my hard work.
I'm quite sure that Jaden must be much more mature. For example, it has been a year.
Really?
Don't scoff at me. I will get your gloves. And monitor your OCD.
Oh God, no.
Hey, gang! Just got back from New York. The place was a tomb, by the way. It was like people are actually taking this coronavirus thing seriously. I mean, for example, I go to the grocery store and I'm at 5 people like always, and they're all like, "Who knew? Social distancing, 6 feet away." And so there I was, and I was like, "Man, seriously?" And then guess what? This is so stupid. The whole thing's a hoax, I tell you, a hoax. Cause I get escorted out of the grocery store by security because of some stupid reason. I mean, all I did was take people's masks and sell it back to them. I mean, they made them look so stupid anyway. I mean, I was doing them for a favor as far as I'm concerned. But
We are so obliged. Oh no, I'm sorry, obligated to have you.
see, I don't understand what these big words mean. All I know is that it's been too long. Noogie noogie.
No, stop! Now!
Oh, that's right. You're the weird one.
One could say so.